This video shows the main features of the control panel for Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 products. This control panel has two hard buttons, Power, Wake, and Home. Access all other features through the touchscreen. On the left, buttons for Login, Interrupt, Settings, Jobs, and Pause are always displayed. The Apps tab of the home screen shows the installed apps. Scroll down to see page 2. The other tabs at the top of the home screen include pins and addresses. The Pins tab provides easy access to workflows users have previously pinned. The three dots menu shows actions to manage pinned workflows. The Addresses tab provides access to the address book for the machine, which can be a local book or a network address book. To add an individual contact, click the Add Person icon. To access printer settings, touch the Settings icon. While the Settings user interface is unique to this product, the menus and tools available are similar to other Xerox products. The device menus include all the technical settings that control the printer's setup. If you log in as admin, this menu expands to include network setup and other advanced settings. After logging in, the icon turns blue, and now more submenus appear. The Language menu allows users to select different languages. The Jobs menu shows a list of in-process and completed jobs. The Device Status menu shows the serial number, software version, and network address of the printer. Sub-menus provide access to many areas of the printer's status, including Supplies status, Paper tray settings, and print reports. Device Status Details provides a more detailed list of current settings. To learn more about the advanced settings, such as network and calibration, refer to the System Administrator Guide.